How to fix Epic Game Launcher installation error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Epic Games installation error. Now let's get started. First of all, you need to head over to Registry Editor. So simply search for Registry Editor and open it up. After you open the Registry Editor, you'll simply need to head over to this location right here. To get here, you'll need to just expand HK local machine. After you do that, expand the software here. This is a software. After you do that, open up Microsoft. And under Microsoft, you'll find a folder that says DirectX. After you open this, you should find this open up right here on the right hand side. Tap on version. And under version, you'll need to change the value data. Change the value data from 09 to 08 and tap on OK. Now, I won't do that because I don't have the problem right now. So after you do so, what you need to do is you'll simply need to restart your computer. Head over to app data. So simply open up your run, hit Windows R, and you'll need to use this %sign and search for app data. Close the %sign and app data should open up. Now, under app data, you should find your file location that wherever you have your Epic Games Launcher installer and simply uninstall that very installer and then download it back again and then you're good to go. So that is how you fix the problem, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.